Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Verma. In this lecture, I will discuss about disk partitioning in Linux operating system. First of all, what is disk partition? It is an utility by which we can break centralized disk into small size parts where we can store the data and OS files. Actually, the partition process will be handled by MBR. MBR stands for Master Boot Record. Each and every operating system having their own MBR. There are two types of partition in Linux operating system. First one is primary and second one is extended. First of all, I will start with primary. It is used to store OS and personal file at a time when primary section will be active. The primary partition range is minimum 1 and maximum 4. It means we can create minimum 1 partition in drive and maximum we can create 4 partition. In second case, extended. It is almost opposite from primary. In extended disk partition, we can we can store only personal file, but we cannot store OS file in the in this partition. The partition extended partition range minimum 0 and maximum 1. Now come to on Linux machine. This is my Linux machine. We can check the partition. We can check the partition with fdisk command. Fdisk -l. So this is my hard disk partition. Now I also mount another hard disk fdisk -l dev sdb. Now there are no any partition in this drive and disk size is 21.5 GB. So I am creating partition using fdisk command. Fdisk -c dev sdb. Now this will be a command output. Command M for help. I press M. There are various options. A for toggle, B for edit BSD disk level, C for toggle, D for delete a partition, and so on. The main commonly used attributes are D and M, print this menu, N to add new partition, and Q quite without saving, and W write table with disk exit. Now print the value. I press print. There are no any partition. Now create with the help of Enka. It asks what kind of partition you will create. P stands for primary and E stands for extended. Now I create extended. Partition number. By default partition number is 1 and I completely allocated this hard disk to extended partition. Now check partition. Now partition is SDB1 and partition type is extended. Now I create various logical partition from this extended partition with the help of N attribute. It will ask what kind of partition you will create. P for primary, L for logical. I create L. First factor set on 4096 and I will create 5 GB partition. Now partition is created. I check with pcom. Now see SDB1 for extended and SDB 2, 3, 4 is reserved for primary, and this partition is SDB 5. This is logical. Now 5 GB partition is created slash dev slash SDB 5. Now you create another partition L. First part now create 5 GB partition. See, then another partition will be created. Now save this value, press W, save and exit. Now I will run part pro command. Part pro command is used to update partition table. Let's check main page of part pro command. Inform the OS of partition table change. It informs what kind of partition table changes. Part pro dev. I change the partition table in SDB dev. Now list the partition fdisk-l dev SDB. Now see, there are two partition, SDB 5 and SDB 6, which can be usable. Now I make the file system mkfs and xfs dev SDB5. Now create the folder mkdir disk test with the mkdir disk test. Now mount the SDB5 slash dev SDB5 on disk test. Now activate the step file. Mount -a. Now check. See, there are one partition added slash dev slash SDB5 with XFS file system, and partition is 5.4 GB and mounted on disk test. It's all about disk partition. Thank you.